Where are those strips?
But he got us multiple packs. I got 4 packs on my own. And then this, if you want to take that, and it might have a plate number on it.
This is the double-sided one?
No. That's the shitty thing, is we don't have the double-sided one. Craig used to have one of the big containers, and he poured some of mine out into his big container, but then he ran out.
You gotta open every one of these.
Yeah, and then when you open it, it fucking tears it. Like, I was like, where's the brake fluid? Because when you go and open it, it's right there. So it's like I have to pull on that one, and then you can grab it, and it's freaking breaking. Luckily, it's right below it, but it's a little weird.
Look at some other ones.
It worked, but like Josh said, that's gonna take me that much longer to open it.
Well, the point was getting paying more for the double-sided one, so it didn't take as long. Otherwise, let's just get too fucking, you know.
Backwards for that one.
Yeah. Because the point of getting these is supposed to make it faster. You have more bags of these?
Yeah, right here.